Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to skip a song with the EarPods with a Lightning connector. These are physical EarPods that are connected to the phone with a Lightning connector. As you can see, this connector is the one that you charge your phone with, not USB-C. This works with iPads and iPhones, but not all models depending on the connector it has. iPad Pros and iPad Mini 6 don't use this connector, USB-C. So basically we're going to open Spotify and we're going to play music. And by that, like you remember, middle press one time. And once it's pressed and playing, basically we can pause it by pressing one click. Okay. And to skip to the next song or chapter, be it audiobook or something like that, we double click. So click to play, double click, next song. Again, pause, one click, play, one click, double click, basically next song. And it's double click in the middle here, not in the volume, just in the middle. So double click, next song, double click, next song. That's basically how you skip a song. And as you pause, you just press it one time and it pauses it. So yeah, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.